Hi, hello, excellent slides here. We create excellent presentations. Please remember to like and share this video and subscribe our valuable channel. You can also follow our social media. In this video, I will teach you how to create an animated slide design in just PowerPoint. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. As you can see on this slide, we have 4 objects. The first, team, the second, customers, the third, products, and the fourth, income. But as you can see, there is something strange with this slide, right? But yes, of course, I know about it. And I created this effect, like it's more visible, because you can animate those objects. So as you can see, if you are presenting something, and you would like to talk about those 4 things, and let's say you are starting talking about the first thing, so you click, and as you can see now, this is more visible. Let's say you finished talking about your team, now you are starting to talking about customers, and a product, and about income. So as you can see, this is a really simple animation, but it's a really effective animation. So how I created it? So let's create a new slide. So right click and new slide. And yeah, actually, first of all, I used a color theme from 𝙘𝙧𝙚. And actually, above every of these text boxes, I inserted just a rectangle, just a white rectangle with a transparency. So as you can see, if you right click on this rectangle and if you go to the format shape, as you can see, transparency is set to 20%. And that's why we cannot see really clearly those text boxes, because if transparency was set to 0%, then we only see this white rectangle. If transparency was set to 100%, then it will be extremely visible, these text boxes. So I applied 20% transparency, and I also added an animation, fade out, on click. So if you click, this white rectangle with transparency set of 20% will fade out, so it will be not visible. I mean, only text boxes will be visible. So let's start creating. Alright, so okay, so as you can see, I used Poppins font, and here in body text it is Poppins light, and here from these headlines this is Poppins and a bold version. And also here I added a counter 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is also Poppins bold. So yeah, so this is, I used lorem ipsum. So if you don't know what lorem ipsum is, and if you don't know how to create lorem ipsum, I recommend you to check our other videos, because we created a tutorial about it. Yeah, and color is a gray. It's not a pure black. It is a gray, this one. And yeah, these headlines, the full color of these letters is white, as you can see, but I set shape fill to this kind of orange red color. So it's important not to set your letters color for this orange red. You just need to set white color for your letters, and as a shape fill, then you change your color. Alright, so now I can group these 3 shapes, so Ctrl and G, and now we can duplicate it, so Ctrl C and Ctrl V, as you can see, and I can place it, I think, right here, and I need just to change here for 2 and here for customers. And of course, as you can see, this text box, the width of this text box is too small, so just increase it. All right, perfect. And also we have to change the color, so select it here for orange, and here in shape fill also the same orange. All right, so right now I can select two of these shapes, and as you can see, they are not aligned. So go to the shape format, align, and align middle perfectly. And when I have selected these two shapes, I can make a copy of them. So earlier I used Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, but now I will use a quicker tool. You just need to press your Ctrl and Shift, and you can drag your mouse anywhere. That's perfect. So here, the third, it was products and income. Products and income. All right. So also here we have to adjust the width, and also here we have to decrease it a little bit. And of course, as you can see here, when I added this 4-digit, it does not look really cool. So I just need to place it a little bit to the left. This 2-digit also here, yeah, and the 3-digit also. So products, this is green color, and the last one, income, is yellow. Exactly, yellow. So let's preview our work. Actually, I think we can add some white space between those groups. So yeah, I think it will be looking better. All right, so the first, the second, the third, and the fourth, but we haven't applied these white rectangles. So let's create them. It doesn't make the difference the size. You have to just select white color and apply 20% transparency. And now when we have this rectangle, go to the animations, add animation, and fade out. Let's click animation pane, and as you can see, it is 0.5 seconds, and it is with start on click. So that's perfectly how we want them. So the really last thing is to create a duplicate of this white rectangle. So I used Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. I used Ctrl+Shift and drag. And the third way to duplicate objects is just Ctrl and D. So let's do so. Let's make the third copy and place it right here, and the last copy and place it right here. Alright, so let's preview our work. As you can see, there are four text boxes, 4 objects. If I click the first time, theme appears. If I click the second time, customers, the third time, products, and the last time, income. So yeah, I think it was a really valuable video for you. Please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, just ask me anything in the comments section. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.